being hands-on, this class makes it a lot more fun and engaging.
Instead of just showing us videos and pictures, she actually helps us learn how to do it by hand.
As much as I could talk about welding in the classroom all day long, until they get in here and they strike their first arc and figure out what's going on and actually doing the process, they don't fully understand it.
Well, we're learning about safety and a lot of what can go right and what can go wrong in this class and how to use machinery in the correct way.
If you were to go around to any of the schools around here, most of them aren't going to have anything like this.
All the tools are innovative. Like this right here, you can bend metal to any degree, you cut out whatever you want, build whatever you want. It's your own imagination.
This table is really cool because it's a lot more detailed work. While we can cut a lot of things by hand, by using our more handheld plasma cutter, this makes it to where it's more precise. It's really cool. The kids love using this. They have to design it from either finding an image that is suitable and then turning it into something that is actually feasible for our machine.
We start with V-carve, with designing the projects. We draw it with lines and everything, and then we export that out as a DXF file so that we can run it on SheetCam, which plots out all the lines which the plasma cutter right here will follow with its two-stepper motors, which precisely move around this bar.
So learning how to use things like plasma, learning how to design on certain software makes it to where they're going to be more suitable to go out into the industry because they have experience that not everyone has when they go into the work field.
All the students are having fun doing what they wanted to do in this class.
You're never going to do the same thing every day. There's always going to be some different tool you're going to use.
It's just letting them learn a lot quicker because they're having fun and it's keeping them engaged.